It's the beginning of the new year, and we're kicking things off with a bang through our January Jumpstart Challenge. Week one is all about your website, your digital headquarters, and often the first impression potential customers have of your business. Today, join us as we dive into four super simple and super beneficial tasks. And the best part is, each one takes less than 5 minutes. These tasks are designed to boost your website and enhance your online presence. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to not only improve your website, but also attract more customers and grow your business. Trust me, these tasks can make a world of difference, and I promise you, they aren't hard. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm Kristina Stubblefield, and I help you unleash your business's potential, boost your visibility, and maximize your time. This is the first week of our January Jumpstart Challenge, and don't worry, there is still time to join us. The January Jumpstart Challenge is your daily exercise to boost your online presence in 2024. Our quick 5 to 15-minute tasks are tailor made for small businesses and entrepreneurs, fitting perfectly into your busy schedule. Show up every day and watch your business thrive. And don't worry, if you are watching this after January, everything we are doing can help your business anytime you do it. Grab the daily task checklist in the comments below and join us today. All of our tasks are geared around setting your business up for success online. Your online presence is a must for all businesses. It is vital for finding and connecting with customers. You've heard me talk about this countless times. Your online presence is truly one of the most important things you can do for your business. So, to help you with that, we've created our January Jumpstart Challenge. And this week, week one, we're diving headfirst into the most crucial part of your online presence. Are you ready? It's your website. It's your digital storefront, your online headquarters, and we're here to make it shine. Week one has just four simple tasks that you can do right now for your website that will take less than 10 minutes to complete and will have a huge impact on your business. First up, let's check your website's contact information. Now, this seems like a very small task. In fact, this is a cornerstone of trust and credibility. When your potential customers visit your website, they need to know they can reach you easily. Accurate contact information ensures that you're accessible and responsive, which builds trust and confidence in your brand. Remember, trust is the foundation of any successful business. So today, take 2 minutes to check that your business name, address, phone number, email address, and any other information is correct on your website. Be sure to check your homepage, the footer, the contact page, and any other page that information is listed. You would hate to have the wrong information out there about your business. Moving on to the next task. Like I said, each day is designed to be a fast and straightforward task to review and update your online presence. Grab your mobile device and open your website. Why? Because in this mobile driven world, mobile responsiveness is absolutely critical. A website that loads correctly on smartphones and tablets ensures that you're catering to a broader audience. Google even ranks mobile friendly websites higher in the search results. So you're not just improving the user experience, you're also boosting your website's visibility and SEO. Now, you want to visit each page of your website to make sure it loads correctly, that photos are visible, and all of your links work. 60% or more of people will leave your site if it doesn't work on mobile devices. Wow, 60%. If you need help optimizing your website for mobile devices, Contact us today, and our media agency would be happy to work with you. Moving on to the third day's task, we're talking about social media icons. These tiny icons play a massive role in connecting you with your audience. By adding them to your homepage and linking to your social profiles, you're encouraging visitors to engage with you on multiple platforms. This expands your reach, fosters a sense of community, and allows you to share valuable content with your audience. It's all about building a stronger online presence. So make sure your social links are displayed on your website. Common placement includes homepage header, homepage footer, contact page, and even the blog page. And sneak peek, next week is all about social media. So we will dive deeper into that soon. Finally, our last task for this week as we focus on your website. Let's dive into the About page. This is where you get to tell your unique story. It's your chance to showcase your passion, mission, and values. Why is this important? Well, people connect with people by sharing your story. You humanize your brand, making it relatable and memorable. Customers want to know who they're doing business with, and an updated About page helps you build that personal connection and trust. Here's a handy tip: you can use cutting edge AI tools like ChatGPT to help you out. Simply copy your current About Us text and paste it into ChatGPT. Then ask ChatGPT for suggestions on how to make it more engaging, informative, and captivating. It's like having a writing assistant at your fingertips. ChatGPT can provide fresh ideas, reword sentences, and even help you add a touch of creativity to your About Us page. The best part? It's quick, easy, and incredibly effective. If you would like to learn more about how to use ChatGPT, I have a free training video linked below that walks you through how to use this tool to help your business. So there you have it. 4 simple tasks you can do this week to boost your online presence. Each task in week 1 is like a building block, strengthening your online presence and setting the stage for your business's success. It's not just about making your website look good, it's about making it work for you 24/7, attracting and engaging your audience, and ultimately boosting your bottom line. If you want to dive deeper into your online presence, you're invited to join us for our brand new program, Boost Online Visibility, where we walk through every part of your online presence and take actionable steps to optimize and enhance your business's place online. Some of the students that have already completed the program have shared with me how much it has helped them not only really understand what it means to show up online, but how to actually do it. We can throw words around like SEO, being consistent on social media, updating your website. But in this program, we actually talk about what these mean and walk you through the steps to do it yourself. During each module, we give you time to actually do the work. So at the end of the program, you have completed tasks that will set your business up for success. Learn more about Boost Online Visibility below and be sure to join the wait list so you can be notified when the doors open again. Thank you for joining me today as we talked through the first week of the January Jumpstart Challenge. Like I said, there is still time to join, and there is always a good time to work on your business. Grab the checklist below and be sure to follow me on Instagram, where I'm sharing daily about this challenge. If you want to learn more about your online presence, check out this video right here and be sure to come back next week for week 2 of the challenge.